We are pleased to show you the 2016 Elantra. The Elantra boasts the most interior room in its class and gets an exceptional 35 miles per gallon. With its luxurious standard features, the Elantra is an easy choice and is priced below $20,000. This vehicle has less than 65,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, stability control, daytime running lights, fog lights, power brakes, braking assist, rear view camera, cruise control, multifunction display, child safety locks. This beauty will make even your house keys jealous. Drive it today.
Here's another high-quality vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.